surfer and flexibility. Flexibility in a simple way, your joint, the further they are from each other, the more flexible you are. Joint, on this joint. Okay? The movable part is all the joint. The bone can't bend, okay? But if it's too far without the muscle holding them, it will become loose. So that's an optimum. For a surfer, you want both. You want the strength of holding them together and you want the distance as well. So how are we going to get that? So today we talk about flexibility, not the muscle part. If you can serve with muscle, it's good. Prepare a towel, and this will be a little bit long so that I can go into more detail. Okay. So the first flexibility that you want for surfing, from the bottom to the top, yeah, not in priority order. When you stand, you will use your ankle to anchor your board, right? And your knee, though, up for a high, low profile. Okay? So for people who have knee injury, this is not easy. And surfing may not be something that suits you. Okay? Better consult a doctor. Yeah? Okay, for people who have no problem in the knee but don't have and the ankle, which you do not have the flexibility, you want to do it at home before you go to a surf site. When you go to a surf site, it's too late actually. So prepare a towel. If you find that it's painful for you, okay, so put a towel. If it's painful on the ankle, then put a towel and then sit like this. Sit like this, lean to the back, you will feel the muscle pulling. Okay, and here as well. No pressing it down so that it's flattened. Lean forward, lean to the back, hold that, then breathe in and out. Okay, so you do the same to the knee as well. So let's say your knee, you can't do that because it's very tight. Same, yeah? Towel, here. Start with this. Okay, start with this. And lean back and relax. Go as much as you can. Until you feel comfortable, you don't have to use this anymore, then your knee will be flexible enough. Okay, the main purpose is to let your, of course it takes time, to let your joint have a little bit more spacing so that it's more flexible. If they don't have the spacings and you force them, then you will grind the bone and the bone, or you tear the muscle. So this is what flexibility about, yeah? Okay, so this is the first thing. The second thing is when you want to paddle, you want to have the upper back flexibility. This one. The upper back flexibility. Here, yeah? Not the lower back. Okay. Let us be very clear. This is the lower back. This is the upper back. The lower back have only one big bone. They don't have other bones. Okay? So you need that for stability. Keep them stable. You can pull them higher. You cut. If possible, don't bend them. Got idea, yeah? Okay? So when you do this arching, the best is you just do the same. Down. Look to the front. Not up, yeah? Front. If you find that it's very tense, means that not enough muscle, you can use your hand. Push a little bit. Okay? Remember, it's the upper back, not the lower back. The lower back stay as it is. So easier, you look forward. Not look up, look forward. So if you can't, then look forward like this. And always feel your neck. You don't, before you have your upper back flexibility, sometimes, you hurt your neck because this is not bending up. So basically it's going against each other. Now you have your upper back flexibility. It's easy for you to pedal because like this you cannot pedal easily. Then when you stand up, knee and the leg ankle is fine. Now hip, you can do this, okay? Hip, so that you can rotate your hip without moving your body much, and then stay in the middle of the board and twist and stand up. Okay, so do this. One side, bottom, up, bottom. Both sides, don't do only one side, then you will be not balanced. What happens if you're not balanced? When you're not balanced, sometimes the whole structure will shift. So try not to, okay? After that, you can put your leg easily here and you can stand. Next will be the hip rotation. And low, high profile. Low, high profile. So you can do this. You don't need a board there. You don't need a board, okay? This. Knee never go too far. Okay? And then put your body down. Knee go behind. Knee never go like this, okay? Stay here, so butt down. And then squeeze your body down. Turn left, right. Left, right. If you can do that, then when you serve, you found that it's easier. Sometimes it's not about how much you can balance yourself on the board. A lot of time you are going against your own flexibility. So if you can get the flexibility part done, when you serve it will be easier. Because yeah, you have the theory, you know how to move that, but your body is restricting you from moving. So how? I have to mention first a few very important things. Do not injure your joint. So how not to injure? First, when you do this, do it slowly. There's one part, there's two parts. Okay? So if you find that it's pain, don't force them. Meaning that the muscle is very short and also the spacing is very small. It takes about 3 weeks to 6 weeks to widen them and longer the muscle. Because why? Because muscle grow. Takes time. Okay? So before you find that it's difficult, put a towel. It can protect. Okay? Your ankle, or you can put 2 towels, up to your own adjustment. And this here. So go slower. Go slower. What you want is to open up. Okay? After 3 weeks, 6 weeks, the new muscle will be a more flexible one, longer one. Okay? When you are doing this, you can do this. But not the lower back. It's the upper back here. Not here. Nowhere. Don't look up. Look to the front. Down, look to the front. Down, look to the front. Then you can avoid the injury on the back. Okay? Next, this. Make sure that you do both sides. Then you can avoid your structure of twisting. And after this, will be this. Up already. This, knee. I mention again, knee. Do not exceed the toe. So go down with the butt down and squeeze your body in between them and turn. As low as you can. If you can't, then you do this. Still, knee never exceed the toe. Okay? You will find that after some time you will build the muscle here and muscle here as well. Got idea? So So do it slowly first and then increase the frequency. Thank you.